It's your uh, it's your old buddy George, and today I'm here to talk about how I modified my VHS camcorder to use a drill battery. I decided to sort of switch things up this time and record the audio on a cassette recorder in a retention basin. So, I got this VHS camcorder at a thrift store for $7, but the battery which came with it was obviously toast. I mean, fucking set's uncharged for such a large amount of time, it's gonna be toast. And I wanted to use this thing to tape videos for songs, so I decided to find a solution. Uh, I started by researching 12-volt rechargeable batteries and just sort of digging through my options. I saw these little 12-volt rechargeable batteries by Milwaukee and Bosch. I think they're for drills, and decided that they looked like great candidates. So I went down to my local hardware store, and I bought this little battery kit. It has a battery and a charger, and it costs more than I paid for the camera, but I think it's worth it to see this thing kicking again. I then proceeded to cut open the old battery and steal the sliding plate that actually latches onto the back of the camera. I took this sliding plate and drilled 3 holes in it, 2 for a hose clamp to hold the battery, and 1 to line up with the barrel jack for power. After this, I took a barrel jack cable, soldered it to some 22 to 16 gauge disconnect pairs, and then I connected the disconnect pairs to the terminals on my Bosch battery, plugged in the jack, and bam, my VHS camera was up and running. I figured I'd make this video, and it's a short little video, but I figured I'd make it in case anybody has a VHS camcorder. I think it would probably work for VHS-C to Betamax, and they want to tape stuff with it, but they can't find the battery. Yeah, this battery's working great. I get a lot of juice out of it, so it's all golden.